Hey everyone, so you may have seen the video that I did where I created that picture and what I've gotten down, so far of it, where it was just the image of a sidekick or superhero in this case in the center of a blank white piece of paper. Well, now I've got the rest of it done. So here's how the result is. Check it out. Let me walk you through what basically the parts are in this picture. The lightning storm, you can kind of see there's lightning bolts right here and here, right here, here, and here. This is the sun. You can kind of see that it's got its rays just going around. It says lightning up here, right in between stars and the night sky, followed by some lightning bolts. Then there's water, which is the blue part here. And this tannish part right here that almost has my name on it, that has the last word Lorac. So get it? Lightning, Lorac. And this is the color of the sand. And you see this guy's looking like he's running between water and sand on the beach during a sunset on a stormy night. Take a good look at this photo, people, because I will not be making another video like this for a while, so just get a good glimpse of it. You see it? TH are just my initials to my nickname, which is really standing for the hardworking artist. Again, that's the hardworking artist.